A female park ranger with short brown hair speaks.
Hi, I'm Ranger Dawn, wishing you all a happy Women's History Month from Gateway Arch National Park. When you visit the museum, you might notice a teepee in our gallery, Jefferson's Vision. Did you know women were traditionally responsible for building the teepee, the primary form of housing for semi-nomadic indigenous groups?
Mural of teepees on the Great Plains.
The teepee, commonly used by Plains Indians tribal nations, comes from the Siouan word meaning used to dwell. The shelter was ideal for semi-nomadic groups as they quickly moved to follow the bison herds.
Model of bison.
This animal was the main source of everything needed for survival: food, shelter, clothing, you name it. In the museum, there is a teepee made from bison hide, and quite a bit of hide was needed to create the teepee. 13 hides to be exact.
Buffalo hide teepee.
Women tanned the bison hides, cut out a pattern, and sewed the pieces together. Women were also responsible for disassembling the teepee, packing it up for transport, and putting it up at the next location. Later, as traders brought in sheets of canvas, this more durable and lightweight material became favored over bison hides. After the teepee was finished, the owner would gather her friends together for a large feast to celebrate her new home and thank her pals for the help. Many indigenous people continue to use teepees today for cultural or ceremonial purposes, but they are often not used as a permanent residence anymore. Now, we have some questions for you. How do you celebrate the generosity of your friends? Are there any women in your life that you go to for help?